Hi, today I'm going to share about a seed, how to begin with a seed which you have really bought it from your nursery shop. Not from your kitchen garden, but you have got it from any nursery shop. Rather, I'm giving an example of an okra seed which I bought from a nursery shop, and it has really gave me so much of harvest of an okra. And right now you can see a blooming, and this will also lead on to a pot set for okra. So let's begin. So things you must really take care of in a nursery shop when you're getting any organic seed packets is the expiry date. It plays a very major role even in a provisional shops or so and so we are checking an expiry date. That doesn't matter even in a gardening shop you need to take care of an expiry date. Normally, what they do in any nursery shop before packaging is that they will have a separate gene bag for a better storage system, and they even check individual seeds for the viability and germination rate, and then they give you a worthy seeds which is being viable, and then they pack accordingly. It doesn't disturb from the environmental temperatures. Hey, it's nothing but the seed viability test. Just take a cup of water, sow the seeds which you have got from the nursery shop, give a stir, and then let it settle for 15 minutes and come back and see whatever seeds has been floating on the top is considered to be as a non-viable seeds, and whatever seeds has been sunk into the water is considered to be as a viable seed. So the scientific reason behind this is kind of physics oriented, but if you people think, do we really have to learn all this physics oriented thing as a gardener or a plant caretaker? I would say a small yes, because it doesn't give justice just being so mechanically sowed and getting a harvest of plants or vegetables. It gives a justice when you feel the concept behind everything what we you do, right? So I would love to share this concept. It's nothing but every seed has its own enzymes and hormones into it which determines its viability or the germination rate. So every seed will have its own molecular weight according to the enzymes or the hormones which is being present inside it, which is its related term is specific gravity. So, a seed which has less enzymes or the hormones into it will have a low molecular weight, which lead on to a low specific gravity, which just floats on the top of water, doesn't sink into the water. So that's the concept, and vice versa. The seeds which has a good amount of enzymes or the hormones for its viability will have a high molecular weight, which determines its high specific gravity, which just sinks into the water. Thus, it's been considered as the viable or the good germination or the good fertility rate of the seeds. I've told the concept in a very small demo. You can just check it out, whatever I have told is true or not, so that you can get the theoretical and the practical well set into your mind, and the immense pleasure which has been accomplished into your mind is such a blissful thing which I can do it for you.